Good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Antonio Living. I'm Shelly Miles. We're in the kitchen this morning, and it is all about making Italian cannolis. Monica Nino is here. She is one half of the board couple. It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Okay, tell me about this. I mean, I love Italy. I love Italian things.
You are Italian.
I am Italian, yes, but I've never made a cannoli.
Oh no, we're gonna change that today.
We need to. We do need to change that. How did this come to be? How did you learn how to do this?
So last year at this exact moment, we were in Sicily studying wine.
Love it.
And one of the days we did wine pairings with cooking. And this really sweet Nonna, also named Monica.
There she is.
No relation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same name. Love that.
She was so welcoming in her home. She brought us all in. She taught us how to make everything from appetizers to desserts, and we made meatballs. But the one standout, the one recipe that we walked away with that was like the most delicious thing ever were her cannolis, because they're not super sweet.
Okay.
And yeah,
that's good.
I
Yeah.
love that. Yeah. Like an authentic cannoli shouldn't be all sugar. It should be a lot of different flavors packed into a little shell.
Okay.
And so it was really fun taking the recipe back and trying to convert it. So we made it happen, but yeah.
And you can find these on the Board Couple dessert charcuterie trays, sometimes on your savory trays as well. They look like that.
Just like that, if you come in, you're gonna get two little cannolis. We do mini cannolis, keeping it true to what Nonna taught us there.
Okay, well show me how to do it.
Okay, sure. So
I need my gloves.
You want to do it because it can get a little bit sticky, a little bit messy.
Okay.
And cannoli shells are something you can make if you're feeling like you want to be an overachiever. You certainly don't have to. It's kind of similar to making like a sopapilla.
Okay.
Or
but you can buy them.
You can totally buy them.
Okay.
They'll come like miniature like this. If you go to Boston, they're gonna make them like the size of your face.
Big ones, yeah.
Yeah,
I've seen that. Okay.
That's like a whole meal. You just want like a little kiss of a cannoli.
Little guy. Okay.
Little shells. This makes life easier. So you're gonna want to start with ricotta. Have you had that before?
Yes.
Okay.
Ricotta's good. It's just, it goes in lasagna.
Exactly. It's like the chameleon of cheeses.
I love it.
Take on whatever flavor you want. So you're gonna want to do 2 1/4 pounds of ricotta, and right now it tastes like yogurt. It's gonna take on whatever you do to it. So if you wanna grab the sugar and you wanna add in a cup of sugar, perfect. It looks like a lot, but really it's gonna start to mix it up. And then cinnamon, you kind of measure with love and to taste. So a little bit goes a long way with it. That's perfect.
Okay.
And a splash of vanilla.
Okay. Splash.
Perfect, yep.
Okay.
Wonderful. And then at this part, after you mix it, you can really make it how you want to make it. So if you want to add in some pistachios, if you want to add in some chocolate chips, you certainly can here. It's kind of, this is your one.
Is that what this is?
You can.
I'm going to give it a little.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's dark chocolate, so it's not sweet at all. It's just going to give you that flavor of chocolate in there.
In comes some pistachios.
I do like that.
Okay.
I like your remix. That's awesome. So I'm gonna just go ahead and whisk it all together.
Okay.
And then you don't have to have a piping bag.
I was gonna say, how does it get in the cannoli?
Yeah, you certainly.
Okay.
If you want to do it at home, and since it's so little, after you've mixed it up, mix. You kind of just want it all to come together.
Okay.
Just kind of.
Make it all. For TV purpose, we'll say it's mixed.
It is mixed.
It is mixed. Hook
so
me
I'm
up.
gonna spoon you in some, and then we're gonna cut off the ends.
Okay.
So you want to just kind of get it all put in there.
It smells good.
Thanks. It really is what you want to make of it. So you want to squish it down.
Look at that. Okay.
And then just cut off a little tip, and voila.
Okay. And then in it goes.
Pipe it into both sides.
Okay. So one side.
Perfect.
Squish. 2 sides.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. This
Super
is
easy.
kind of easy. I did it.
And then you'll dip each end into the pistachio. Kind of just want to give it, and then this is the fun part. So keep squeezing, keep making them. It's fun for the kids. It's a fun Memorial Day weekend activity, you know.
And now I'm like an Italian grandma.
You are such an Italian grandma.
Look at that.
Nonna Shelly.
Look at that. That's perfect. So much fun. Okay, while we're doing this, let's talk a little bit about the comfort location.
Yes.
Because I had a chance to go up there. It's absolutely a beautiful spot. You can kind of walk around Comfort, see what they have to offer up there, then stop into the Board Couple and have some snacks, enjoy some wine. It's a lot of fun.
It's so much fun. And then this weekend, big deal, we are doing our patio grand opening So we built out a patio so you can come, have wine, have charcuterie, have cannolis on the patio, and just hang out, play some pickleball. It's so much fun.
Okay, and that's happening Saturday, right?
We're actually gonna kick it off at noon tomorrow.
It's happening all the days. Check that out.
And Saturday as well.
Okay.
Special menu, new wine list, so lots of fun. Lots of fun to be had.
This looks so fun. All right. Well, thank you for showing me how to do this.
Yeah, and then
look at that, guys.
You just kind of, we made homemade whipped cream,
Oh,
so you can kind of just however you want to style it.
I love it. Or just go see Monica and Brian in Comfort this weekend. Good deal. Always good to see you. Here's that information on this Summer Sips event on the patio, kicking off tomorrow, but also Saturday at the Bored Couple, their Comfort location, which is at 804 High Street. And if you'd like more information on the Bored Couple, take a look at your screen. You can find them here in San Antonio on Zarzamora, and then also in Comfort on High Street. And if you'd like to place any orders, give them a call at 210-573-2100 or visit theboredcouple.com.